Evening, guys. Yeah, the last couple of days just had a bit going on with my mouth, top right. I've tried to ignore it, but it's not happening. So I'm losing my concentration on the road, so I'm gonna have to pull it out. There's no files to do. I cannot eat, it's just killing, so it's got to come out. So I've got these. I'll give it a go, see if I can get it out. But aye. Got it. Fuck. Oh, pardon me, French. Got the bastard. Fuck. Fuck. Got it. Jesus Christ. I thought I had a high pain threshold, but no, it's there you go. That's how you pull a tooth. That's how you pull a tooth, guys, using a pair of pliers. Didn't do this at home, okay? It's cheaper than going to the dentist. I hope that's the right one.